Okay.
Bien. Tu peux prendre quelques photos, s'il te plaît, pour nous?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so we have the basic flight controls, which are in all helicopters.
In line with the Health Sector Renewal Investment Initiative, we're expanding Nigeria's public health infrastructure, but also private sector infrastructure for medical care, including emergencies. And the National Emergency Medical Services and Ambulances Scheme is being revamped with underground ambulances for our cities, as well as the Rural Emergency Medical Ambulances Scheme, RESMAT. Now we're here in Lyon to look at the helicopter emergency medical services, look at the Airbus helicopters, which are the dominant helicopters used globally for the air ambulances, but fit within the health system, within the personnel that we have, within the context of the capacity that exists, and the financing model that can make it sustainable. And the Honorable Minister of Aviation and ourselves, under the guidance of President Tinubu, are working hand in hand to see how we build that ecosystem so that the regulators on the civil aviation space would work with us in the health sector space, and over time for us to be able to acquire the helicopter emergency medical services, the helicopters to be able to do that for parts of our country where this is applicable, but connected to health sector facilities so that if there are trauma, acute medical conditions, coronary artery disease, myocardial infarction, strokes, and other critical needs, that we also have the medical side, even if there are also other emergencies that helicopters can be used for. This is taking our health sector one step further, building a health system that will serve Nigerians, that will be getting closer to the standards that